What's up YouTube? Silver Dragons here, and in this video I'm showing off my new stickers that I recently got made. Super stoked for these, and I'm also talking about what's going on over the next couple weeks as far as pour parties go, my live silver pouring parties, and I'm showing off my new shirts here in the video as well. So we got all that and more. Let's do it! Thank you so much for watching my video. I sincerely appreciate it. This one here is just sort of some updates for the Silver Dragons channel. First and foremost, I have to say, just a massive thank you so much to everyone who's been watching my videos and supporting my channel. I appreciate you all so much. Honestly, it just means the world to me. All of the views and comments, just such an awesome community. But yeah, so I've got my new stickers here now made. Really cool. Shout out to Flatline Racer on Instagram for doing a great job on this logo here. It's the Chinese dragon holding some silver that he's probably got from a hoard somewhere, but really cool. This was the old sort of logo that he did for me. Really awesome as well. It's got a flying dragon stealing some pirate treasure, so really cool. And I did have some shirts made. Now, I promised you all I would show you the shirts when I got them, so let me show these off here real quick. So this is the Silver Dragons. It's just like the sticker. It says stacking, pouring at the bottom, and it's got the really cool flying dragon on there. Turned out really awesome. I do have these available for sale in my merch store. There is a link in the description down below if you want to check those out. There's also tank tops and hoodies and a bunch of different colors, so really cool. And then I have my classic logo shirt here. Show this one as well. For people that like the just classic Silver Dragons look, I really like these. This is my wife's favorite. So those are the only options I have right now, but I will have some more stuff coming up in the future. I've got some ideas for some more shirts and things, and maybe we'll see this new one on a shirt as well. So really cool stuff. Now, as far as the pour parties go, so I have been doing my live pour parties where I pour silver and offer different amazing pieces for sale on Mondays. However, I'm going to be having to work on Mondays moving forward. So unfortunately, I'm going to have to switch up the day. So here's what we're doing. We're going to try 2 different days. We're going to try Wednesday the 18th. So that's in 2 days from right now. We're going to do a pour party. And then I'm also going to do one on Friday the 27th. So those are both of September 2019. So we're going to try out those 2 dates and see if Wednesdays or Fridays work better. Just kind of gauge it that way. And then we'll pick a day moving forward. Now, if you haven't been to one of my pour parties before, they're a ton of fun. I pour awesome pieces like this one right here. This is one of my made in the USA American flag pours. This is a pretty good size one here. It is 2.9 ounces, 999 fine silver. It's got my dragon stamp on it, and 2019. Really cool ripples on this one. It's just a polished finish. But whenever I pour the American flags during the pour party, we always say a pledge allegiance to the flag. So really good time, and I offer way more pours than just this. I always post a video before the pour parties for pre-orders. So if you wanted to order anything for the live stream, definitely watch the pre-order video and leave a comment there, because a lot of times the slots for available pours will fill up pretty fast, and it's kind of hard to get one during the live stream if you just show up. So check out the pour party. Usually those post around 5 a.m. Pacific time or 8 a.m. Eastern time. And then the parties, we start at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So if you live on the west coast of America like me, it's 6 p.m. If you live over on the east coast, then it is 9 p.m. So again, the next pour party is in 2 days. I can't wait for it. That's going to be a lot of fun. And I just wanted to show off the shirts because I promised when I got some shirts in, I would actually show them to you guys and also show you my new stickers. So these are really cool. But the thing is, I actually ran out of my other stickers that I was giving out with my pours. So the next batch of pours, I'll go out with these cool stickers. So we're going to give out a bunch of these ones. And then once I run out of these stickers, then we'll switch to the batch of the new ones. So we got lots of variety and cool stickers to give out with all the pours. That's going to be a lot of fun. And I also always do a giveaway on the live pour nights, so stay tuned for that. And I just want to say again, a massive thank you so much to everyone who's watched all my videos and supported my channel. Seriously, you guys all mean the world to me. And yeah, so I'll see you all in the next one. Hope to see you at the party. Silver Dragons out.